Okay, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to develop this basic house to make classic modern house. Okay, first of all we have to make another classic ornament of the house. Okay, so then we can make the profile with the line. Then we can draw it here. We can draw a simple profile, simple classic profile. I mean, we can draw it in here by using a line anyway. Okay, so then we have to delete some unnecessary line over there. We have to delete, and then we can make the more curve element of it in this position. So then we can delete some unnecessary line, but we have to make the little curvy for the profile first. Okay, maybe just something like this, and then we can make the curve more over there. Okay, we can make the curve little. Okay, maybe it's enough, so then we can close this plane anyway. Okay, we can found this, we can just move to the another position. Okay, this is about the profile of the classic profile of this house anyway. So then we can make a line, then we can start from here, and we can draw the another perimeter of this building anyway. Okay, after that we can select this line, perimeter. Okay, and then we can follow me using follow me tool, and then we can just click this plane anyway. Okay, so and after that we got the classic profile of this house. It look more classic than before, so then we can make it group, and we can just assign with the white material anyway. So then and after that we can also make another profile of this window. Okay, so then we can select it all, and we can offset it outside maybe around 150 millimeter, so then we can erase some unnecessary line. Okay, and then we can push it to the front just a little bit, and then we can select the line. We can select the line anyway. We can offset it outside just a little bit. We can offset it inside also. Okay, you can offset it inside again and again. So then we can found some okay, we can create the more classic profile of this window anyway, and then make it group. Okay, but we have to improve more to make a canopy. So then we can select it all, and select the top area only. So then we can select a move, and we can push it to the upper position around 200 millimeter. Okay, so then we can make the canopy of it. We can make the canopy, and then we can push it to front just a little bit, and so then we can make another simple profile over there. We can just selecting the line, can offset it inside, can push it to the another side, and then we can select the line again, and then offset it inside again, and then we can push it a little bit up. Okay, so then we can make it group anyway. Then we can select it with one arrangement or one component, and make it group, and make it component, and just create it. Okay, and after that we can duplicate the window profile with another window. Okay, so then we can rotate it. They'll found this, and then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and just place on this. Okay, and after that we can make another variation of this column. We can just select the column, so then we can offset it inside anyway. We can offset it inside just a little bit, and we can offset it again, and we can offset it again. Okay, and then we can push it to the front a little bit, push it to the front. Okay, just something like this, and then we can offset it inside. Okay, just something like this. Or maybe we can make another profile. Select this, and then we can offset it inside. Then we can offset it inside again, and offset it. We can offset it inside again. Sorry. Okay, so then we can offset it inside. Okay, so then we can push it to the front and push it a little bit, and just push it anyway. Okay, and after that we can also do the same method with this tool. We can use offset. We can offset it more. We can offset it inside again. We can offset it inside, just like this. Okay, so then offset it. Okay, we can push it to the front again. We can push it. Okay, just like this. Okay, and after that we can also set the wall material with the cladding. We can use this cladding siding. Okay, maybe we can just assign with this cladding, and we can make another landscape area over there. Okay, so then we can place on this place. Okay, and then we can offset it inside to make a simple barrier, and then we can make another landscaping area over there, or maybe we can use 2-point arc. We can use 2-point arc over there, and then we can use 2-point arc again, and just a little bit curvy. Okay, we can continue it. We can offset it inside. Okay. So then we can set the landscaping. We can place on this position, and we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can set another material. Maybe we can use the concrete, just like this. Okay, something like this. So then we can assign with a roof material, with roofing maybe. Okay, so then we can select it. We can place on this position anyway. Okay, then we can make another space to staircase, a little staircase. Okay, so then we can push it more. Then we have to make it group, and we can place this group anyway. We can place the material anyway. Okay, and after that we can also make it more higher. We select this line, then we can select move. Oh, it's too high. Okay, I think it's enough. So then we can make okay, so then we can select the component. We can just select this component anyway. We can select the component. We can select component option. Okay, so then we can place the tree. We can place the tree, so we can scale this tree. Then we can adjust with the glass material to make it more transparent than before. So then we can place on this position, and after that we can also activate the shadow, just like this, to make it more semi-realistic. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you to make offer this simple building to modern classic, and wait for my next video, and thank you.